So it's the start of the year and you have to impress the badminton coach if you want to be able to get into the badminton team. Problem is, you are not good with footwork and you are worried that you might accidentally, displease the coach with your performance. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some common mistakes that badminton players make that coaches absolutely hate so that you can maximize your chances of getting into the team. Hey, what's up? My name is Gerald. I'm from BG Badminton and I'm joined with Josiah as well as Wayne, who will be helping me with the demonstration in this video. By the way, use code BGB to get 5% off all purchases on badmintonbay.com. Links in the description below. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is overrunning. So this is one of the most disliked or hated upon mistake that a lot of badminton players do, in which that you only need, for example, 1 step or 2 steps to reach to the corner, but oftentimes you end up taking significantly more steps because the shuttle is a little bit difficult. And this basically shows a lack of discipline or lack of practice when doing footwork. So do not overrun. So mistake number 2 is toe pointing away. So a good rule of thumb is that when you're doing the front footwork or the side footwork, you want your toe to point towards the direction that you're moving. So just take note, when you're doing this footwork, do not point sideways because it first increases the chance of injury. And secondly, coaches hate it. So tip number 3 is lazy footwork. So this, I think, is most commonly observed at the baseline. Basically, when you try to hit the shuttle, you want to make sure that you get behind the shuttle. But a lot of players get lazy. They don't want to take the extra half a step backwards. They don't want to stretch a little bit harder, and therefore they take the shuttle right above them. And coaches do take note of such things when they observe players trying to get into their team. So what you want to do is make sure to take the extra effort, take the shuttle in front so that you get power and you get good speed when trying to follow up after you hit the shuttle, because it's a lot more balanced. Additionally, lazy footwork also comprises of things such as using backhand when it's really not necessary. And when you're just starting out, coaches almost always want you to use the overhead shot because it's a lot more efficient. You can see the opponent and therefore you basically play better. But if you end up using a lot of backhand when the shuttle is high and slow, that's a no-no for a coach. And one extra way to practice not being lazy is to hit the subscribe button. It takes a little bit of effort, so step out of your comfort zone and hit the subscribe button right here. Alright, so now tip number 4, which is basically I call this the slow return to the center. So a lot of players, when they are trying to do selection trial or while they are training, they tend to not be very serious. And a reflection of them not being serious when doing footwork is that they tend to move a little bit slow, especially when returning back to the center. So this is Wayne trying to do his best to kind of emulate what is being shown during training. Basically, what you want to try to do is when you return to center, be serious, be efficient when moving back to center. So that's tip number 4. And with all of this tip, I hope that this will help you increase your chances of getting into the team, be it national team, state team, or school team that you're trying to achieve for. So good luck with that, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, so I have a very special announcement. Oh, it's here. Let's go. Is this for Gerald? Really? Alright, that's me. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? Alright, so this is the YouTube Silver Play button, celebrating 100,000 subscribers. So here's how it looks like. Does this not stand on anything? Nope, it doesn't stand on anything. And here's a toast to every single one of you who subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, because you make this possible. My gosh, it looks... My gosh, this is so reflective. I can even see you guys. Can you see yourself in this? Yeah, it's amazing. But wait, remember I told you guys I have a very special surprise for all of you? Well, that's the big brown box. Alright, so you fans have spoken what you guys want as 100,000 subscriber celebration video, and the sponsors have spoken back. So Badminton Bay has been really kind to give us not 1 but 11 rackets to be given away to all of you subscribers. Not 11 rackets to every single subscriber, but 11 very lucky subscribers who get a chance, to win all these rackets. So what we're gonna do, right, is we're gonna group the rackets together, like the Apex racket together, the Abros rackets together, and do a review in the upcoming videos. So in order for you to stand a chance to win one of these rackets, all you have to do is a couple of things. Number one, enter the lucky draw. So every time you enter, you stand a chance to win one of those rackets that are being reviewed. Number two, watch the upcoming review video within 24 hours, and that gives you an additional chance. Number three, share the video. That gives you an additional chance. Number four, head over to Badminton Bay's Facebook page and give them a like, because without their support, this wouldn't have been possible. So of course, that goes without saying, if you want to be informed of the review video, what you have to do is not just subscribe, but to hit the notification bell, because YouTube doesn't always inform you. And remember, if you watch the video within 24 hours, you get an extra chance to win one of these rackets. So I hope everyone understands that the more people watch these videos, the more sponsors are willing to provide for these videos, and therefore more people are willing to watch because there are more giveaway, and basically it's a beautiful cycle that kind of thanks you and thanks the sponsors and helps the channel grow as well. So everyone is happy. So again, I cannot thank you guys enough for supporting me. 100,000 subscribers. Can you imagine? When I teach classes on the weekends, it's like 6 people. So 100,000 is like a group of 6 times. Never mind, I think basically it's a lot of group classes. So I am so thankful for all of your support, and I'm just beyond speechless, And I'll catch... Even when I participated in SEA Games, there's like 10,000 people in the hall, and this is like 10 times of that. That's mind blown. So as always, thank you for watching. All the links are in the description below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Alright, so can you guess what the special announcement is? Be sure to check out my other videos over here and here. And take care, everyone.